Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to archive a photo from your profile on Instagram applications by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure you are signed in and logged in with account that you want to use. And after that, sometimes you will be brought into the home section, but now we just need to jump into your profile on the right down corner right here. And after that, we just need to choose which content that you want to archive. So let's say I only have this content, so let's try to archive this. To archive this content, open the content that you want to archive, go click these three small dots on the content, and now you'll see on the top rows there will be an archive, and then you just need to go click it. And now this photo will be disappear from your profile. And how to bring it back? You just need to go click these three straight lines on the top corner, and then after that there will be an archive button to here. Just go click it, and in this part you just need to go click and choose the post archive. And now you will see any photos or videos or content on your feeds that you archived. And to bring it back, go click these three small dots again and click this show on profile. So that's the way how to archive content on Instagram application by iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.